Number 1. What is the main goal of the Saksham campaign launched by Indian Oil and Bharat Petroleum? Correct answer A. Awareness about fuel conservation. Explanation: the Saksham campaign, launched by Indian Oil and Bharat Petroleum, focuses on raising awareness about fuel conservation and promoting the judicious use of petroleum products to ensure a sustainable environment. Number 2. Which Indian city became the first in the country to receive certification from the Bureau of Indian Standards (BIS) for its drinking water supply management system? Correct answer B. Bangalore. Explanation: Bangalore Water Supply and Sewerage Board (BWSSB) became the first water board in India to receive certification from BIS for its piped drinking water supply management system after a 6-month evaluation. Number 3. Which Indian ministry launched the PB Sharp platform? Correct answer A. Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Explanation: PBSHABD, launched by the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting in March 2024, offers free access to logo-free news content across various formats like video, audio, and text. Number 4. What is the goal of the India AI Hackathon on mineral targeting? Correct answer A. To identify new areas for mineral exploration. Explanation: the India AI Hackathon aims to identify potential areas for exploring critical minerals using AI to create mineral predictive maps. Number 5. Who was awarded the Maharashtra Bhushan Award in 2025 for his contribution to statue building? Correct answer B. Ram Suta. Explanation: renowned sculptor Ram Suta, famous for his monumental works like the Statue of Unity, was awarded the Maharashtra Bhushan Award for his contributions to statue building. Number 6. Which company acquired a 67% stake in the IPL franchise Gujarat Titans? Correct answer B. Torrent Group. Explanation: Torrent Group acquired a 67% stake in the Gujarat Titans IPL franchise ahead of the upcoming T20 season. Number 7. Which university in India was ranked at the top for engineering, mineral and mining in the QS World University Rankings by Subject 2025? Correct answer B. ISM Dhanbad. Explanation: the Indian School of Mines, ISM University, Dhanbad was ranked 20th globally in the subject of engineering, mineral and mining, making it India's highest ranked institute in this category. Number 8. Which country has the highest ranking in the World Happiness Report 2025? Correct answer B. Finland. Explanation: Finland maintained its position as the happiest country for the 8th consecutive year, according to the World Happiness Report 2025. Number 9. Which was the first international para event hosted by India in 2025? Correct answer B. World Para Athletics Grand Prix. Explanation: India hosted the World Para Athletics Grand Prix 2025 for the first time, where it topped the medal tally. Number 10. Which initiative in March 2024 aims to support startups in India's telecommunications sector? Correct answer B. Samarth Incubation Program. Explanation: the CDOT launched the Samarth Incubation Program to support startups focusing on next-gen technologies like AI, 5G/6G, and cybersecurity. Number 11. Which company has a partnership with Bharti Airtel and Ericsson to explore the use of XR and AI in manufacturing? Correct answer B. Volvo Group. Explanation: Bharti Airtel, Ericsson, and the Volvo Group have entered into an R&D partnership to explore extended reality and AI technologies for the manufacturing sector. Number 12. In which city was the Reisner Dialogue 2025 inaugurated? Correct answer B. New Delhi. Explanation: the 10th edition of the Reisner Dialogue, a major foreign policy event, was inaugurated in New Delhi in March 2025 with the theme Kala Chakra, People, Peace, Planet. Number 13. Which state has been consistently ranked as India's cleanest city for 7 years? Correct answer A. Indore. Explanation: Indore has maintained its position as India's cleanest city for 7 consecutive years and launched India's first PPP model-based green waste processing plant. Number 14. What significant move did India take regarding bilateral trade transactions with the Maldives in 2024? Correct answer Or trade payments can now be made in INR and MVR. Explanation: the RBI signed an MOU with the Maldives Monetary Authority to allow trade transactions between India and Maldives to be settled in Indian rupees, INR, and Maldivian rupiah, MVR, promoting local currency use. Number 15. Which city launched the first public private partnership PPP model based green waste processing plant in India? Correct answer A. Indore. Explanation: Indore, ranked India's cleanest city for 7 consecutive years, inaugurated the first PPP model based green waste processing plant under the Swachh Bharat Mission Urban to convert green waste into valuable resources. Number 16. Which Indian institution has received certification from the Bureau of Indian Standards (BIS) for its piped drinking water supply? Correct answer B. BWSSB Bangalore. Explanation: the Bangalore Water Supply and Sewerage Board (BWSSB) received BIS certification for its piped drinking water supply system, being the first in India to do so after a thorough evaluation. Which organization is behind the launch of the Steel Collab web portal? Correct answer C. Steel Research Technology Mission of India, SRTMI. Explanation: SRTMI launched the Steel Collab web portal as a matchmaking hub to connect industry leaders, researchers, and startups to advance steel technology, focusing on decarbonization and digitalization. Number 18. Which payment app backed by NPCI aims to achieve a 5% market share on UPI by 2028? Correct answer C. BHIM. Explanation: the Indian government has set a target for the BHIM app backed by the National Payments Corporation of India (NPCI) to achieve 5% market share on UPI by 2028. As of now, BHIM has only around 0.2% market share, with PhonePe and Google Pay dominating the market. Number 19. Which global firm received the RBI's in-principle authorization to operate as a payment aggregator for cross-border transactions? Correct answer B. Brisk PE. Explanation: the RBI granted in-principle authorization to Brisk PE, a process-backed global investment firm, to operate as a payment aggregator for cross-border PACB transactions. This allows Brisk PE to handle both imports and exports under India's Payment and Settlement Systems Act. Number 20. Who was appointed as the Executive Director of RBI in March 2025? Correct answer B. Indranil Bhattacharya. Explanation: Indranil Bhattacharya was appointed as the Executive Director of the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) on March 19, 2025. He is tasked with overseeing the Department of Economic and Policy Research. Number 21. What is the key feature of IDFC First Bank's new mobile app? Correct answer B. ACE feature for mutual funds. Explanation: IDFC First Bank incorporated an ACE feature in its mobile banking app to provide details on over 2,500 mutual funds, enabling customers to make informed decisions and build a diversified portfolio. Number 22. What is the name of the ship launched by Goa Shipyard Limited as part of Project 1135.6? Correct answer A. Tavasia. Explanation: the second frigate under Project 1135.6, named Tavasia, was launched by Goa Shipyard Limited (GSL). The ship is designed for multi-role operations, including surface and air combat. Number 23. Which team won the 2025 Women's Premier League WPL title? Correct answer C. Mumbai Indians. Explanation: Mumbai Indians won their second Women's Premier League WPL title in 3 seasons by defeating Delhi Capitals in the final. The match was held at Brabourne Stadium, Mumbai. Number 24. Which country's armed forces won the most medals at the Khelo India Winter Games 2025? Correct answer A. India Army. Explanation: the India Army topped the medal tally at the 2025 Khelo India Winter Games held in Jammu and Kashmir with 18 medals, including 7 golds. Number 25. Which of the following cities won an award for food policy at the 2025 Partnership for Healthy Cities Summit? Correct answer C. Cordoba. Explanation: Cordoba, Argentina, won recognition for its effective food policy at the 2025 Partnership for Healthy Cities Summit, highlighting efforts in promoting public health, which two countries co-chaired the ASEAN Defense Ministers meeting. Plus ADMM Plus Experts Working Group on Counter-Terrorism (EWG) for the 2024 to 2027 cycle. Correct answer B. India and Malaysia. Explanation: India and Malaysia took on the co-chairmanship for the 2024 to 2027 cycle of the ASEAN Defense Ministers meeting. Plus ADMM Plus Experts Working Group on Counter-Terrorism. Number 27. Which country's leadership was part of the Maritime Security Bill 2025 naval drills in the Gulf of Oman? Correct answer A. China, Iran, Russia. Explanation: The Maritime Security Bill 2025 joint naval drills were conducted by China, Iran, and Russia in the Gulf of Oman, marking the 5th year of their collaboration in these exercises. Thank you. Something exciting is coming soon. Are you ready? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. See you next time.